Today we'll see the problems related to the projections of line. At the end of this session, students will be able to draw the projections of lines when certain details and or part of the projections of endpoints of line is given. Here we'll take the example for solving the question. Here will be given with the line and where to complete the projection. So question is, draw a projections of line AB if its true length is 70 mm, true inclination with HP into bracket HRP, because HP and HRP are one and same, that is horizontal plane, or we call that as a horizontal reference plane. So true inclination with HRP is given as a 30 degrees and apparent inclination with vertical plane, that is a frontal reference plane, is 50 degrees. Means here true length is given, true inclination with HRP is given, and apparent inclination with vertical plane is given as 50 degrees. And A is given, for that it is 15 millimeter from both reference plane. So end A is 15 millimeter from both reference plane. Also find apparent angle of line with HRP. So this is a question. So if you have the summary or compilation, the given data is like this. So line is AB, true length of the line is 70 millimeter, true inclination with HRP is 30 degrees, apparent inclination with FRP is 50 degrees, end A is 15 millimeter above HRP and 15 in front of FRP. We have to complete the projections. So question over here is completion of the projections, and we have to find the apparent angle with HRP, that is alpha. So we are going to find out the angle with HRP as a apparent angle alpha. Now here when we start drawing the projections, so first step is to draw the XY line. First step is to draw the XY line or the reference line. So XY line or the reference line, so that is to be completed first. We can call that as FH line also. We are calling that as a FH line also. So what is that FH? F indicates frontal plane area, H indicates horizontal reference plane area. So we call that as a FH line. And afterwards we'll locate or we'll draw the position of point A. So A point is given at 15 millimeter above HRP and 15 millimeter in front of FRP. So at 15 millimeter distance on this side we'll locate AF point. So the distance for this AF is 15 millimeter. On the projector of this we'll get the position of AH. We'll get the position of AH and the distance is again 15 millimeter. So distance for this is again 15 millimeter. So once we complete the position of A in front view and top view, next step is to proceed with the given data for this line as a inclination or the true length or the distances for other end. Now here the true length of the line is given as 70 millimeter. So true length of the line is 70 millimeter and true inclination with HRP is given as a 30 degrees. So true inclination with HRP is 30 degrees. So we'll draw the line in top view, the front view side, as a angle making 30 degrees opposite to H. So opposite to H we'll take the 30 degrees angle. So to complete that, first we'll draw the horizontal line over here, so that we can complete the 30 degrees angle with respect to this horizontal line. So that angle is angle made by the line with HRP. So here we'll have the drawing of 30 degrees angle line, drawing of 30 degrees angle line. Now on this line will always get the true length of the line. So true length of that line will be obtained on the true inclination line, true angle line, and for that purpose the distance 70 millimeter is to be taken in compass, that is the true length, and that is to be marked from AF. So 70 millimeter distance will take in compass, and we will have the cutting of arc on this line to obtain the other end as B dash F. So this is a B dash F because that is on the true length line. It is on the say shifted position. It is not the actual position. It is not the projection point. And as you know, the line which we are considering over here is the oblique line. It is not the horizontal or the frontal line. So it is not showing true length on say true length line. Projection is not on the true length line. So it will be on the other than true length line, because line will have the projection inclined to both the side. Means with XY line inclination will be there for both the sides. In case of the horizontal line, the inclination will be only one side, and one side will be having the parallelity. Okay, so that part is already known to you. Now here once we complete the say AF and AH point, this is the true length of the line equal to, so this is true length of the line equal to 70 millimeter, correct. Now the next step is to get the parallelity in the adjacent view for this true length. So when the line is showing true length over here, it will appear parallel in the adjacent view, that is known to us. Now we will draw the line parallel from this AH position, and on this parallel line, when you have the projection from this B dash F, it will have the intersection over here as a B dash H. So that is showing the parallelity, and this length is top view length of the line. So this is top view length of the line. Now this top view length we are going to mark on the projection line, and for that purpose we have been given with the apparent inclination of line as a beta 50 degrees. So beta is given as 50 degrees. So on this line we will get the position of top view. So first we will complete the line at 50 degrees angle from AH. So we will complete the line at 50 degrees with respect to this AH point, with respect to from AH point with respect to this horizontal line. So this is a line on which we will get the top view, and we can mark the top view length over here. So we will take the distance equal to AH B dash H in compass, and we will have the rotation of this, or we will have the marking of this top view length on this side. So from this B dash H we will have the rotation, and intersection over there will be obtained as a BH point. So that is a BH point. Now the line which is drawn at 50 degrees is a line indicating true length, and this length, so this much length is a top view of the line. So this line which I am making as a dark line is a top view of the line. So this is top view of line, correct. Now once we get the top view over here, the next step is for getting the front view of the line, we must project this BH point in the front view side. We have to project the BH point on the front view side. We will draw the projector from this BH in the upward direction, and it is to be drawn in such a way that it has got the intersection with the locus drawn from this B dash F. From the locus of this B dash F, this B dash F, we will draw the locus which is a line parallel to XY line. So this is a locus line which is parallel to XY line. So this is locus of B end of the line. Now on this locus we will have the intersection of this. BH to obtain the BF. Now the intersection obtained over here is BF. So that is a BF, and the line connecting these 2 points means AF to BF. Line connecting AF to BF is front view of the line. So this is a front view of the line. Okay. So this procedure you have understood how to get the front view and top view. Okay. Now next part of the question which is asked over here is to find apparent angle with HRP. Apparent angle with HRP means the angle alpha that is to be obtained over here means the angle of the front view with HRP. So this is angle of front view with HRP is alpha angle. So this you can have the calculation or measurement. The earlier angle which we have shown was the true angle. Now this will be an apparent angle made by the line with HRP. Okay, so this is the procedure for obtaining the projection of line when certain data is given for the line condition and certain angles are given, position of the initial point is given. So this is all about the projection of lines.